Welcome to our channel, Wafa Tech and Tricks. Thinking about upgrading your Canva plan, but not sure which one gives you the best bang for your buck in 2025? Thinking face. Whether you're a student, small business owner, content creator, or just love great design, Canva has a plan for you. In this video, we're breaking down Canva's 2025 pricing, what each plan offers, and most importantly, which one is actually worth it for you. So before you spend a single cent, stick around. This guide will help you make the smartest choice for your needs and budget. Canva 2025 pricing explained. What's the best plan for you? Canva has become the go-to design tool for millions of users, from beginners to professionals. With its drag-and-drop simplicity and a wide range of templates, it's ideal for everything from social media graphics to business presentations. But in 2025, Canva's pricing plans have changed slightly. And if you're wondering which one is the best fit for you, you're in the right place. Let's break it down. Canva's 2025 pricing plans at a glance. As of 2025, Canva offers 4 main pricing tiers. 1. Canva free $0 per month. Perfect for beginners or casual users. What you get: access to 250,000 plus free templates, 1+ million free photos and graphics, up to 5 GB cloud storage, basic editing and design tools, ability to invite team members, limited features. As for students, hobbyists, and anyone who only needs basic design tools occasionally. 2. Canva Pro. $14.99 per month or $119.99 per year, for one person. Designed for creators and small business owners who want premium tools. What you get: everything in free plus access to 100+ million premium stock photos, videos, audio and graphics. 610,000 plus premium templates. Brand kit, logos, fonts, colors. Magic resize for resizing designs in one click. Background remover. 1 TB cloud storage. Scheduler for social media posts. As for content creators, freelancers, small business owners, and marketing teams who need consistent branding and more creative power. 3. Canva for teams. Starting at $29.99 per month for first 5 users. Built for collaboration and larger groups. What you get: everything in Pro plus collaboration tools for teams, shared brand kits, admin controls and permissions, workflow approval features, up to 1 TB storage per team member. Scales with additional users, custom pricing. As for agencies, startups, nonprofits, and marketing teams that need to collaborate on designs. 4. Canva for education and Canva for nonprofits. Free with application. Special free plans with Pro features for eligible users. What you get: Canva Pro features at no cost. Classroom or non-profit specific templates. Team collaboration options. Compliance with data privacy standards for education. As for teachers, schools, non-profit organizations, with verification. Which Canva plan is best for you in 2025? Here's a quick decision guide. Your situation: best plan. Just starting out or creating personal designs, Canva free. Freelancer or social media content creator, Canva Pro. Small business or team needing branding and collaboration, Canva for teams. Teacher, school, or verified nonprofit, Canva for education/nonprofits. Is Canva Pro worth it in 2025? If you create content regularly, even just a few times a week, Canva Pro is 100% worth it. The time-saving tools like Magic Resize, Background Remover, and access to premium templates and assets can level up your work and save hours every month. Plus, the brand kit keeps your designs consistent and professional, a must for anyone building a personal or business brand. Final thoughts. Canva's 2025 pricing still offers excellent value, especially considering how much you get with each plan. Whether you're a student designing for class, a creator building your brand, or a business running ad campaigns, there's a Canva plan that fits your goals and your budget. Still unsure? Start with a free version and upgrade when you need more. Canva makes it easy to grow with you. Canva has come a long way from being just a simple design tool. In 2025, it's an all-in-one platform used by content creators, marketers, educators, and businesses of all sizes. But with more features comes the big question: which Canva pricing plan is right for you? Whether you're just starting out or running a full-scale business, understanding Canva's latest plans can help you make the smartest choice. Let's start with the basics. Canva Free. This is the entry-level plan and perfect for anyone who's just getting started with design. It includes access to thousands of templates, millions of free photos, and up to 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. If you're a student, hobbyist, or only create designs occasionally, this free version can be more than enough. Next up is Canva Pro, priced at $14.99 per month or $119.99 per year. This plan is ideal for freelancers, social media managers, and small business owners who want access to premium tools. With Pro, you get access to over 100 million premium images, the background remover tool, magic resize, brand kits, content scheduling, and 1 terabyte of cloud storage. If you create content regularly, Canva Pro offers incredible value. Then there's Canva for Teams, starting at $29.99 per month for the first 5 users. This plan is designed for businesses and organizations that need to collaborate on designs. It includes everything in Pro, plus team management features, workflow approvals, shared brand kits, and better collaboration tools. It's scalable and ideal for marketing teams, agencies, or startups. Canva also offers free plans for educators and nonprofits. If you qualify, Canva for Education and Canva for Nonprofits give you access to premium features at no cost. These plans are packed with templates tailored for teaching or nonprofit work, and include collaboration features perfect for classrooms and teams. So, which plan is best for you? If you're just experimenting, stick with Canva Free. If you're creating consistently, Canva Pro is definitely worth the upgrade. For those working with a team, Canva for Teams brings strong collaboration features. And if you're an educator or nonprofit, don't miss out on Canva's generous free offerings. In the end, it all comes down to how often you design, who you're designing with, and what tools you need. Canva's 2025 pricing structure gives you the flexibility to choose what works best for your goals, without overpaying for features you won't use. If you're thinking of using Canva in 2025 but you're confused about which plan is right for you, Free, Pro, Teams, or Education, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down Canva's pricing and features so you can choose the best plan for your needs without wasting money. Canva Free is a great place to start, especially if you're new to design. Gives you access to 250,000 plus free templates, over 1 million free photos and graphics, basic editing tools, and 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. If you only create designs occasionally, like social media posts, resumes, or school projects, the free version is surprisingly powerful. Now, if you're a content creator, freelancer, or small business owner, Canva Pro is a total game changer. In 2025, it costs $14.99 per month or $119.99 per year for one user. Here's what you get: 100 plus million premium photos, videos, and graphics. 610,000 plus premium templates. Magic resize. Resize designs in one click. Background remover. Social media content scheduler. 1 terabyte of storage. And a custom brand kit to keep your fonts, colors, and logos consistent. If you're posting regularly on Instagram, YouTube, or running a brand, Pro will save you time and make your designs look 10x more professional. If you're working with others, consider Canva for Teams. It starts at $29.99 per month for the first 5 users and includes everything in Pro, plus real-time collaboration, shared brand kits, approval workflows, admin controls, and team folders for better organization. This plan is ideal for marketing teams, startups, or agencies managing multiple clients. Here's the best part. If you're a teacher, a school, or a nonprofit organization, you may qualify for Canva Pro completely free. Yes, free. Canva for Education and Canva for Nonprofits include all Pro features, plus tools designed for collaboration, teaching, and presentations. You just need to apply and get verified on Canva's website. So, which plan is best for you? Just starting out or occasional use? Go with Canva Free, content creator or small biz owner. Canva Pro is totally worth it. Working in a team. Try Canva for teams. Teacher or non-profit. Apply for the free Pro plan. Canva in 2025 is flexible and packed with features. Just choose the plan that fits your goals and budget. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which Canva plan are you using? Let me know. Thanks for watching and happy designing with Canva. Thank you for watching.